This is a quick demonstration of the 6-pin inverted tubular lockpick. This sort of tool is used to pick the sort of locks found on things like laptops and other computer hardware. To use the tool, simply release the tension, slide all of the needles forward and then reapply tension, and insert the tool so the pin on the top lines up with the top hole of the keyway. Push the pick to the back of the lock until it bottoms out. Then gently rotate the pick, pulling it out about 1/8 of an inch, and keep rotating, and eventually the lock should open. There you go.